Hey guys, just want to do a quick little video of something I got for my car. It's a new little, I wouldn't call it a mod really, but just something I got for it. And no, it's not on the car, it's the fob cover. A lot of you guys probably already have them, but I thought I'd do a quick little review on this one. I got it from China, really cheap, but it's really nice quality. I like it because some of them cut off here, and this one goes all the way around. I had the other one that's just like it's blunt on the end. And when you pull the fob out of your pocket, the cover keeps sliding off. This one's tight. It's actually hard to get the key out of here if you need to. And you can also put it on a key ring if you need to. Really nice, has a cutout here. I don't know if you can see, it has a little hole there for the light to shine through when you push the buttons. I think I paid $1.74. It's a weird price, but very cheap. You just have to wait probably about 3 weeks. They have different colors like red. I think they even have a glow in the dark one, blue, and they have a green one. I just like that one. What I like about these two is I always put my fob on the center console. This holds it because it's grippy. It doesn't slide off. Where the other one, I mean, as you guys know, just slides around, scratches things up. So I'd definitely recommend getting a fob cover if you don't already have one. This was actually the first thing I got when I got my car. I actually ordered it when I knew I was going down there. I ordered it from China probably the week before I got my car, and then it came like 2 weeks later. Hope you guys like it. Again, I'll put a link below to the item. You can find them in the United States, and they're about $7, $8. So if you don't want to wait like 3 weeks, and you can just order it there. If not, I didn't really mind. Like I said, it's only a little over $1. Very cheap. Hope you guys are having a good day. Appreciate it.